You want to get out of debt, retire early, and stop living paycheck to paycheck, then stop your struggle. You don't have to live that way anymore. Hi, I'm Deborah. I found digital marketing, and it is easier than it sounds. I know that the words digital and marketing can be off-putting for a lot of people, but marketing is just advertising. If you stop and think, in my generation, advertising was TV ads, radio ads, newspaper ads, billboard, advertising. Well, then they discovered that advertising was a dirty word and started using the word marketing. What this digital marketing, and digital just means it's online. It's online. It's immediate. It's online. It's out there. And I got 3 types of customers. The first customer is a small business owner. Maybe they're a plumber, maybe they're a hairdresser, and they need to get the word out that they do this business. They purchase the program or invest in their business by learning how to advertise online for free, and that's all they ever do with it. The second type of customer is the one who wants to make a living creating digital products. We have modules in there that teach us how to do that. And the third type of customer are people like myself who just want to build my small little business around sharing the product, selling the product, making 100% commissions, and moving on with my day. It only takes 2 to 3 hours a day. I'll be honest, it takes me closer to 3 than it does 2 because I am a little bit digitally challenged. But if I can do it, you can do it. So don't let fear of something different stand in your way. You can retire early, you can get out of debt, and you can stop living paycheck to paycheck. Just put 1 in the comments and we'll send you something that tells you more about it in depth.